Hello and welcome to another U-nitt YouTube video. This is Adam with U-nitt. Today I'm going to show really quickly four bowls that we have in stock. This is the 972 F Black, and the F is for this flat scupper. The paint is black from inside and outside. It's a little bit rough, actually, textured, if you will, from the inside. And all of them come with this 9-inch chain to connect with the rain chain. So this is 972F black. The one behind it is the 972 black, and it is again just black color in and out. This is the 972 PA. 972 PA is the patina from the outside, and it has this scupper here, and then we have the 972 gold. All of them are 10-inch wide, and they are available in stock, ready to ship. Thank you for watching.